Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you friends? Hope you all are fine. Today we will talk about beautiful jute craft ideas that can change simple things into amazing home decor. Jute craft is not only creative but also very eco-friendly and natural for our environment. With jute rope and fabric, we can decorate bottles, jars, photo frames and many other items. Old glass bottles look boring, but jute wrapping makes them stylish and elegant. When you cover a bottle with jute, it gives a rustic and classy look. Jute craft shows that waste items can become beautiful decoration pieces. Always clean bottles and jars properly before starting any craft work. Use strong glue so the jute stays in place for a long time. Jute jars are perfect for storing dry flowers, candles, or small lights. And these jute jars give a warm and cozy feeling through your room. Handmade jute crafts add a personal touch to your home, and jute photo frames look simple but very attractive. You can decorate frames with jute, shells, beads, or wooden buttons, and such frames make your memories look more special. Jute craft teaches patience and creativity. Do not hurry while wrapping jute. Take your time for neat work. Simple designs often look more beautiful than heavy decoration. Natural colors of jute bring peace and calmness to the mind. Jute craft is perfect for farmhouse and vintage decor lovers, and you can also gift jute craft items to your loved ones. Handmade gifts always have more valuable than expensive store items. Jute craft is also a good idea for a small home business. With practice, you can improve your designs day by day. Always believe in your creativity and never feel disappointed. Even small mistakes teach us something new. Jute crafts remind us to reuse instead of throwing things away. This habit helps save money and protect nature. Children can also learn basic jute craft with supervision. Crafting together brings happiness and bonding in families. Use soft lighting with jute decor to enhance its beauty. Jute bottle lamps look magical at night. And do not overload decorations, keep it balanced and neat. Natural decor always stay in trend. Jute crafts are suitable for every season and every home. Thank you for supporting handmade and eco-friendly crafts. Keep crafting, keep smiling, and keep your home beautiful with jute decor. Thanks for watching my videos. Take care and goodbye. Thank you.